Update video for 24 Leigh Lane on the 30th of July 2022. All right. Take a look at the outside here. Building a little roof over the propane tanks. Out to the back of the house. There's some beautiful scenery back here. Drive in, drive out garage. That will get cut open because there'll be a big slider there. There'll be a window right here, which is over the kitchen sink, and another window here, which is going to be in the living room. And then above the slider, there's going to be another big window right there, which I'll show you the shape and design of that window here. One second. Move off to the other side of the home. And then over here, so this window that I'll have a couch on the other side, obviously in the living room, but it'll bring a lot of natural light in, and then that will be right up over the slider, and there'll be a nice deck off the back of the house. Drive in, drive out garage, and obviously window over the stairway, bathroom window, and then there's one other window in the bedroom. And there's my RZR 1000 turbo. Bam! She looks good. All right. Mudroom, closet, bench here to sit on, window that will be cut out. 10-foot ceiling, so it'll feel nice and airy in here. Feel very large. So this would be a nice little area to come in and kick your shoes off. And as you walk into the garage here, we did 10-foot ceilings, spray foam insulation provided by USA Insulation. They're saying it will take basically about a match to keep this house warm, so that'll be good, save some money. And plenty of space here to put the RZRs and all the sleds. And because we do have enough height here, I will probably be able to stack the snowmobiles with a racking system. So we have plenty of storage room. And excuse the mess here, but this will be the half bath right here. And that'll be great for when we have company over here. Then this is the third bedroom right here. Sorry, it's a little dark, but that window will be cut out. And let's head back this way. And when we open up the garage door here, you'll have view again of the balsams and the backyard. Let's speed this up a little bit and we'll get you upstairs. Boom, boom, boom. Now, let me turn this around so you can see the mudroom from a slightly different angle here. All right, okay, let's head upstairs. This will be the living room area here. Again, that's a window that's going to be cut out. Slider will go right in here. And then that's the window over the slider, which brings in a lot more natural light. And couch, chair, heating system right here. TV on that wall. And we cut open a hole here, so there'd be some additional storage up over here. So we're really maximizing all the space in this property. Countertop, kitchen sink with window overlooking the beautiful backyard and balsams. Countertop, stove, refrigerator, counters, little knee wall I talked about in the last video. Beams will all get wrapped here, and I'm doing tongue and groove ceilings here, so this is going to look really beautiful. And this brings you into the bathroom. So you have your bathroom vanity here, toilet where you do all your business, and then little linen closet. Make sure you have space to put all your towels. And right here we have the tub. It is a little bit deeper tub, so if people want to take a bath, bubble bath when they're up here, that will be perfect as well. And then I am going to have this all tiled, so it will look actually really nice and classy. Walk you right through here to the laundry room, stackable washer and dryer here. I'll put some kind of shelving or countertop, maybe something from IKEA, some great storage systems in here. So that will be plenty of storage. And we'll walk over to the right, and this will be Brooke's room. And I added a window in her room, which gives her a little bit more natural light here. I figured that would be important, especially because that's on the east side of the property. So that will that would be really nice for Brooke. And we gave Brooke a bigger closet as well to put her gear or clothes, whatever she has when she comes up here. She always wanted a bigger closet than me, and she's got it. And one other thing, and I had Arnold Green Electric. He put in a plug there, so I will actually have cable and TV on that wall there. So that would be nice. So Brooke's bed will be right in through here. Little TV when she has some friends up. Okay, and then into my bedroom here. 2 windows, very similar to Brooke's room. Bring in more natural light. And there's my closet, a little bit smaller closet, but that's okay. I don't have a lot of clothes. Bed will go right here. And again, cable and TV hookups right over here. Cannot wait to see the finished product here. Everyone's been doing a great job on this property here, so super excited. Here we go. Give you one other quick look there, and